Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. Now we are at the final part of the sub-series slider control. So previously we added the slider control with tick mark and tip labels. Now we will add a supporting label in the stage, and we will use that label to report the change in value. So when user moves this knob towards right or left, value will change and we will report the change in the value in this label control. Alright, now we will proceed. So we need to report the slider change, right? So for that we create a label, we set a font with the size 14, then we add the label to the flow pan control. We already added our slider as part of previous videos to the flow pan control. Now we added the label as well. Next, for the slider, if you see, value is the property we want to track. So we already tracked many properties. Say for example, when we talked about the choice and combo box, we talked about selected item and selected index, right? So those are all properties. So here value is the property, and when you want to track the property, you have to use value property. So it will return the property, then you can equip that property with the listener, add listener. Then here I am using the change listener. Then inside we can track the handler function changed. Here we will get old value and a new value. Label already created here, and in the label we specify new value with so here we are receiving number, right? So new value dot int value. So this will give you the string representation of the change in value. All right, now we will go to the demo and add the handler function to our slider control. So that's all. Now we will conclude this example by running and testing it. So see, the value is produced linearly when I use the knob using the mouse. So I can directly click also. This is at 20. Now I will try to position it at 80. So approximately we may get the value 80, 39 or 40, right? So we can do the black increment as well. Here if you say, now I am doing the black increment, and you can see how it is working. All right, that's all on this slider control. Thank you for watching. Bye.